Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate select dropdown through Selenium. Okay, so I have created a practice select dropdown for our automation. So first we will see that. Okay, so you can type learn with Sai practice page. Okay, so you can go to google.co.in and type learn with Shirdi Sai practice page. Okay, so if you type that, you will be getting this one from the blogger. Okay, so click on that. So on clicking that, you will be seeing a link fruits menu using select dropdown. Click on that. Okay, so this is the particular link which we are going to open, and after that we have select dropdown. We are going to choose the option from here, and after choosing the option you are going to click the checkout fruits. Okay, so I'm clicking checkout fruits. After clicking that, whatever I selected here, that will be coming as a value here. Okay, so first we are going to choose here, and after that you are going to click on checkout fruits. You will be getting the message here. Okay, so we will try to automate this one. Okay, now we can move to Eclipse. So before starting with today's session, we can have a recap of previous session. Okay. In previous session, we tried opening URL in Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Okay. So after that, additionally, we have also seen um, passing browser version through Chrome options. We passed a different version and try to open in 116, 117, 115. Okay. And in Firefox also we tried passing URL and given some wait time, and we have tried to open it. The same way we done for Edge also. Okay. So today I will create a new package. I will give name like different web elements. So in that I have created a new package. Okay, you need to be right clicking here and click new, and in that click on package. You can give the name here. Okay, you can start the name of the package with lowercase. Okay, so now I am clicking on the package, right click on new and click on class. So here again I need to give a name, so I can give the name as select dropdown. Here in Java class name, you can give starting with uppercase. Okay. In package, you need to be giving with lowercase. So otherwise, you will be getting a warning in the top. Okay. So here I am clicking on the public static void main. On clicking this, it will automatically add the main class. Okay. So I am clicking on this one and click finish. So I will close the remaining things. So here I am deleting this first line which is automatically generated. So we will start with driver new Chrome driver. So after entering driver equal to new Chrome driver, here you can import the, I have given small d, only I'm not getting the import option. So you can, if you mouse over on the WebDriver, you will be getting option to import. So you can select import. So in Chrome driver, you can mouse over and it will be giving another option here in the first. You can select the import Chrome driver. Okay, so we have discussed this in the previous session itself. If you're not seeing that, you can watch that also. Okay, now we can open this URL. So you can get this URL by typing. I will also give in the description. You can also get this through Learn with Shirdi Sai practice page, and after that you can click on the first link and select this one. Okay, fruits menu using select drop down. Now you will be getting that URL. I am copying this URL and driver. In order to open a URL, you need to type get. I have typed the name wrong in the top, so only I'm not getting that option. Now I have changed it. So now you can click get. So and copy the URL. So now we have written the code for opening the URL. So in order to um, get the locator of any element in the web page, you need to be right clicking on the web page and click on inspect. Okay, so currently I need this particular drop downs locator. Okay, so in order to automate something in web page, you need to be getting the locator for that particular web element. Now right click on the fruits drop down and select inspect to get the locator. On clicking inspect, you will be getting a window like this, which will be having all the web elements locator. Okay, so here for me, I need to be getting this particular thing which is highlighted. Here it shows like ID is equal to fruits ID. When I'm passing this in the code, it will be going to this particular drop down and selecting it. Okay, so we can see that. So and one more thing, like whatever that is having select tag, that particular drop down alone will be working with the approach we are going to see. Okay, if it is having some other different tag and that is developed with the latest React JS or some other different technology, that will not be working with the select approach. Okay, whatever we are going to see, that is applicable only when that is having select. You can identify using this particular tag. Okay, so we will see different drop downs in the different session, but now you can understand like when we are having select tag, that particular thing is handled using the approach we are going to see. Okay, so now we can see how we can pass this particular ID in the code. Okay, so in order to find the element, you need to be typing driver dot find element. After that, type by dot. We have different option to find a particular web element. Okay, so currently we take an ID. Okay, so we will discuss more in depth on this in a different session, but for now you understand like this is one of the option given by Selenium for finding a web element. Okay, so you choose this ID. So after choosing ID, you need to be passing this one. Okay, so this is the tag select tag which is having ID equal to fruits ID. So I need to be passing fruits ID. Now we can pass the ID here with quotes, add semicolon. Now you can store this in some web element. I will give the name like fruits drop down equal to. So you need to import the web element. Okay, I will import it and it will be added in the top. Now create a select class and give a name like SEL. Click new select. Here you need to be like importing the select. Okay, select class. So click on this one, import. It will be added in the top. Okay, so now here you need to be passing that web element whatever we created, the drop downs web element you need to be passing. Here the drop down is this one, right? So if it is having some other name like instead of fruits id, if you have some other name you can pass that also. Even you can use name for automating that one, we will see that in later. Okay, for now you take only the id and automate it. Okay, so I am passing this inside the select. Now we have passed it and you can add a semicolon. Now type sel and type dot. Okay, so here you will be getting multiple options um, for choosing the drop down. We will see majorly the three options given by them. Okay, one is select by index, select by value and select by visible text. First we will try with select by index. Okay, so here index will start with 0. Okay, so if you want to select first option you need to be passing like 0. Here the first option is you start from the first here. So the first option, if you want to go with the first option, that will be 0. If you want to go with mango, the second option, you need to be passing 1 in the index. Like that you need to be passing 2 for jackfruit and 3 for green grapes and 4 for muskmelon and 5 for watermelon. Okay, so in the same way you can choose the fruits from the drop down using some other different method also. First we will try with this one. Okay, so I want to choose mango, the second option. Okay, so you can pass one and close it. Now it will be automatically selected. Oh, I will quit. Okay, adding quit will close the browser. Okay, so now we have a written code for finding the web element, that is fruits drop down, and after that we are passing that fruits drop down inside the select class. So in select they have, Selenium has provided three different major options for choosing it. Okay, now right click, save before running. Okay, right click and run as Java application. So now you can see it is getting launched. Chrome is getting launched and it is opening our blog and chosen mango. I think you have seen that, right? We will try with some other different option also. We can pass 5. We need to select watermelon. So again I am running, run as Java application. Browser is getting open. So now watermelon is selected, and after that we are getting this error. We already discussed in previous session we will be getting this um, particular connection reset socket exception if there is some problem in your connection. Okay, I tried different solution for this, but sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working. If it is constantly working, I will add another video for this, for getting resolved with this, but there is nothing to do with this particular uh, code. Okay, so you can use this one. um, Only few people will be experiencing this one. Okay, you can ignore for now. Okay, now we have selected using select by index. Okay, so we will comment this one and we will try with select by value. Okay, so here you need to be passing the value which we are having there. Okay, so I will go with jackfruit. So the value given is jackfruit. So I will add that in double quotes and a semicolon. Okay, now I will save and run this. Run as Java application. Browser is getting open. Now you can see jackfruit is selected. Okay, so I will rerun by disabling this driver.quit, as we are not able to see that. So I will comment this one for seeing that. Okay, so I'm running this again by right clicking run as Java application. Browser is getting open again. You can see jackfruit is selected. Okay, so we have seen the second option also. So we will try with third option given by them, select by visible text. Okay, so here I will close this one, open by automation. You can go to the browser and see what is a visible text. Whatever that you are seeing here, you need to be passing the same value. So I will try with this one. Okay, so here there is no space and it is in lowercase, the value. I am passing this particular visible text. The visible text will be something which we are seeing in the drop down. So I am directly passing that. You can add in quotes and pass the visible text, and I am saving it and rerunning this one, Java application. So browser is getting open. We will see how it comes. So here you see green grapes is selected. So I am closing this window manually as we commented this one. We will also try another option. I will choose mango again. Okay, should be taking this one. So mango I have selected. Right click, run as Java application. Here you see first it selected jackfruit, green grapes, and after that it selected mango. Okay, I'm closing this. Okay, so in today's session we have seen how to handle a select drop down using Selenium. Okay, so we done this using Chrome driver. The same thing applicable for the remaining browser also. Only thing is you need to be changing the Chrome. Instead of Chrome driver you will be using Firefox driver, and for Edge it is Edge driver. Okay, change that and the remaining things remain. There is no change. Okay, all remains same. So after that we seen three different option given by Selenium for choosing a option in select dropdown. First is select by index, and the other one is select by value, and select by visible text. If you want to pass select by index, you need to be starting with 0. The first option is 0, and after that the second option is 1. Okay, so you should not be starting with 1 for the first option. Okay, it will not be working for you then. So if you want third option, you need to be passing 2. So select by visible text. Okay, so in order to choose based on the visible text, you can choose the inner text here and copy and paste it. It will be working for you. So select by value, you can pass whatever that is given in the value. Exactly the same thing you need to be passing. Okay. Okay, that's all I have for this video. So we will meet in another new video with new content. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.